Large, fully furnished unit in Fairway Oaks. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse-style condo is located in Fairway Oaks, a secluded community neighboring the beautiful Surf Golf and Beach Club golf course. This townhome has been maintained very well as the owner's vacation home. It offers an open floor plan in the main living, dining and kitchen areas with beautiful natural wood flooring in the living room and master bedroom. Tile flooring in the dining kitchen areas. Sliding glass doors from the dining area open onto a private patio with beautiful views of the golf course greens. The master suite is located on the main floor and 2 guest bedrooms and full bath are located on the second floor. Fairway Oaks is golf cart and pet friendly and is only a short walking distance to the beach. Relax in the hot tub or enjoy a day by one of the largest pools in North Myrtle Beach. You will not want to miss this rare opportunity to own a turnkey, large unit in this desirable complex. Square footage is approximate and not guaranteed. Buyer is responsible for verification.